Good evening. Topic for today is government and constitution. What is constitution? A constitution is a set of fundamental principles or established precedents according to which a state or other organization is governed. These rules together make up the constituent which what the entity is. When these principles are written down into a single document, or a set of legal documents. Those documents may be said to embody a written constitution. If they are written down in a single comprehensive document, it is said to embody a codified constitution. Constitution was written by a committee headed by Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. It took 2 years, 11 months, 18 days for compilation. It was adopted on November 1949, celebrated as Law Day, and enforced fully on January 1950, celebrated as Republic Day. What is government? A country has a definite boundary. The people residing in the country are its citizens. To ensure a peaceful and orderly life in the country, an organization is required. Such an organization is called the government. It organizes the people and looks after their welfare. How is a government formed? What are its powers, functions, and organs? What are the rights of the citizen? Answer to all these questions are found in the document known as Constitution. What is a constitution? The word constitution is developed from the word constitute, which means to frame or establish or to compose. According to the Oxford English Dictionary, constitution means a system according to which the laws and principles of the state is governed. It is a set of fundamental rules according to which the government of a state rules. It is a document which contains the rules and regulations guiding the administration of a state. It defines the relationship between the ruler and the ruled and how rulers are created in the country. It may be written or unwritten, as in the case of Great Britain, whereas in India it is a written constitution. It explains the power belonging to the government, the fundamental rights of the citizen, the relationship between the citizens and the government, and the principle that all the citizens are equal before law. So now our students are going to talk about the government, the constitution, and how the government function. Thank you.
Good afternoon all. I am K. Sindhishran, Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. I do in disclaimer is about democracy. Encourages public participants about people to express their concerns and creating welfare programs, healthcare and education, social security. It protects human rights and freedoms. Monarchies, the constitutional monarchies have a balanced tradition with policies that have to help people. And it is absolute emphasis depends on the ruler personal values. Thank you.
I am Shaktiswaran from the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. I am going to define about the system of government of India. India follows a parliamentary democratic republic with a federal structures. This means power is divided between central and state government, covering governance of multiple levels. The executive branch consists of president, who is the constitution head, and the prime minister, who holds real power and leads the government. The legislature or parliament with two houses, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, which makes laws and hold the government accountable. The judiciary is independent with the Supreme Court covering the justice and constitutional integrity.
Hi, I am Sadi from the Department of Artificial Intelligence. I am going to ideate about the system of government. Ideating on system of government involves exploring various ways to organize and manage a society. has breakdown of the key aspects to consider along with the some list or common experimental ideas. Source consideration. Source of authority. When does the government's power comes from? How is the authority victimized? Distribution power. How is the power divided? What is the checks and balances? Representation. Who represents the people? How are the representatives? What are the essential system? Decision making. How are the laws and policies made? What role do citizens play in decisions? I do response. What are the decisions are regarded to the citizen?
I am Santosh Kumar. I am department from Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. I am talk about prototype from system of government, British system, Indian associate system, system of government where the Prime Minister is head of government. Simplest to the UK, the Prime Minister is contested it like to British. The courts of minister is reposted to Prime Minister. American system, fundamental rights and rules with US conditions of power of executing system of government. Kannada system is structure where power are divided between the units and state. The governor acts link between the central and state. Thank you.
I am Sovigan from Department of ADS. Talk about test. The simulation and role playing organized mock sessions where participants act as citizens, government of official and lawmakers. Simulate role playing seniors, election and lawmakers, crisis management to see the how to system functions. Survey and questionnaires. Distribute the structured surveys to participants post simulations. Focus on accept like them, transparency, fairness, citizens, participants and efficiency.